Hare Krishna. So, welcome everybody for this session. So, today our topic is festivals. So, all of you know that we celebrate many festivals in our uh, country, generally in Bharatavarsha. Now, all over the world also, peoples they celebrate different kinds of festivals with pomps and pleasures in a grand way. So, from time immemorial, from since long time, such types of festivals is going on in our society. During this period, you know, from different parts, the peoples gather, they celebrate, they share their thoughts, the culture. So they do so many things. These are called ritualistic ceremonies. Ritualistic ceremonies is like, as for example, uh, sometimes you go. Is there any problem going on for not connecting? Hmm? Am I audible for to all of you? Hello, Hare Krishna. Hemant Prabhu, Hare Bol. Hare Krishna. Hare Bol. Yes, you sort of, come little bit, no? Don't close all of you, no? ऐसा close करते फिर मजा नहीं आता लेक्चर देने में. कोई है, कोई नहीं, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. ठीक है नहीं? ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहा लग रहा है मुझे कोई. हरे कृष्णा. You are in a very nice place today. Huh? Yes, Gokul Vrindavan. Yes, yes, that festival, generally we celebrate. So we try to understand it from our गौड़ीय वैष्णव परंपरा. So the Gaudiya Vaishnava parampara will, because there are so many festivals, in all over the world, from different religion, different backgrounds, ethnicity, सभी जगह से लोग फेस्टिवल मनाते हैं. We know it, but we try to understand the festivals we celebrate from in our tradition, yeah, in our parampara, that is Brahma Madhya Gaudiya Sampradaya. So if we'll go back, to our history of celebrating festivals. So these festivals are practically from, there are no certain dates. You cannot say that from this date onwards the festival started. No. The first date was when Lord Brahma got the instruction from Lord Krishna. Tene Brahma Adi Hridi Kavaye. So that is the first, that was the celebration. Brahma was very jubilant. He was very happy. Huh? Just try to understand. When Brahma got the knowledge, likewise, we sometimes, in our college, in our exam, we get the good marks and degree. That day, imagine, so much happy. Same way, Brahma was so much happy because he could not understand what to do. Later, this message was delivered. ये जो message है परंपरा से आते रहा, and the opportunity to receive the knowledge, the opportunity to receive the knowledge is festivals. These are festivals. So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, 500 years before, when he came, he practically gave us one big festival, that is Sankirtan Yajna. Sankirtan Yajna means, as you know, loudly chanting of the holy name of God. Loudly chanting. Someone may say, jap karna hai. No, just no, lips, just uh, shake the lips. No, ये lips shake करना नहीं है. You have to speak loud. Speak loud with mridang and kartal, and people should gather also with many people. That's why this is called congregational chanting. Congregational chanting. So this festival was given by Lord Chaitanya. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had a plan. Prabhuji, no, stop your, mute your audio. किसी का जो है ना ऑडियो को म्यूट कर दीजिए. हरे कृष्णा. Yes. So जो चैंटिंग हम करते हैं या डूइंग संकीर्तन, लॉर्ड चैतन्य महाप्रभु हैड ए मिशन. दैट मिशन इज कॉल अपॉन ऑल द पीपल. सारे लोगों को बुलाओ, assembled in one place, and try to celebrate. That is his mission. So some, I think 1-2 years before, I was asking to one devotee one question in my mind, because I am little bit reluctant, little bit, I practically hesitant to celebrate the festivals. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना. Many people comes, that time you have to know. So गर्दी मुझे टोटल पसंद नहीं होता है. Then I was asking, Prabhu ji, during festival time, I don't go out. I actually remain inside my room. I don't like. So he said, no, this is not the proper, your concept. This is not proper. You should go out. This is the mission of Lord Chaitanya. You should go out and meet the people. Share some knowledge with them. Share something. Like, you have some food, prasadam, something else you have to share. So, generally in the ritualistic program, in the festival, you see like lighting the candles, going through a procession with drum beaters, they beat the drums. Those people are blowing conch, शंख बजाते, beating घंटा, yes, घंटा भी बजाते. So many people, they put tilak, garlands, flower garlands, they sprinkle water, Ganges water. Generally, in the festival, we use Ganges water, some scented water. So these things, what is these things? These ritualistic programs. Brahmanas, they chant mantras, they do yajnas. ये सब क्या है? As for example, मैं example समझाता हूँ. If you go to a cricket match and you are sitting on the pavilion, you are watching that match, and during that match, someone is hitting a 6, 4, someone take one wicket. That time, the people, those are audience, those who are watching, they clap like that. They clap, they scout, they show the placard. Have you seen? Placard दिखाते हैं 6 का 4 का, हाँ जोर से. Nowadays also some of the professional girls, they dance, in IPL match, You see that, practically someone is dancing. Some people are dancing. And during some, laughter show, suppose in the Kapil Sharma show, have you seen some people are laughing there? Huh? Artificially, although the laughs is not there, the joke is not so funny, but that time some people laugh, thoda has dete hain. Why? So during these periods, if you will not do, you are not showing that, then the reciprocation would be not there. The zeal you will not get. The zeal should be there. So sometimes people accuse generally the elite class. Generally nowadays, those who are calling themselves secular, those who are thinking themselves very highly educated, these people feel shy. उनको लगता है कि हमें इस जगह पर जाना नहीं चाहिए. If you go, if maybe lose our prestige, maybe people may call us very ignorant persons. उनको ऐसा लगता है, they feel like that, ऐसा नहीं जाना चाहिए, उनको ऐसा लगता है. No, these ritualistic programs are not for the fools, not for the poor people, not for the unintelligent persons. These are for all the sections of the people. सभी के लिए है. I want to share one story to you all. In Jagannath Puri, every year there is a festival. That festival is Ratha Yatra, the cart festival, and Ratha Yatra. Previously, 500 years before, there was an incident. In that incident, that time King Prataparudra was the king of Odisha. He was the king. So the king was there. So he was about to marry, means marriageable age. So somehow the marriage fixed with the princess of Kanchipuram. Kanchipuram, another state in South India. So the marriage fixed. The bridegroom, so princess name was Padmavati. Very beautiful princess. So marriage was fixed, date was fixed, everything fixed हो चुका है. So some of the delegates from Kanchipuram, some of the like ministers, one delegates they came to Jagannath Puri, Cuttack, Odisha, to attend this cart festival, Rath Yatra. Though they have to just see the festivals, all the ritualistic programs. They watch, and they did not ask anyone, what is this ritualistic program? Why they are pulling the cart? Why someone is cleaning in front of the deities? भगवान के सामने ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why people are chanting loudly? Some people are doing kirtan. They did not ask. They just watch. उन्होंने केवल देखा. देखने के बाद during that period they saw one thing, that this king is just sweeping in front of the रथ. वो झाड़ू लगा रहा है. बट उन्होंने कुछ पूछा नहीं. ये जो डेलीगेट्स आए थे, नो वन आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन व्हाई. Most of the times we don't ask question why. I went to one place in Nandurbar, Maharashtra, Nandurbar area. Evening time, we stayed in one village. Some of the youth, they came to me, and at that time they were celebrating one Devi Puja. Means some, they were worshipping goddesses Parvati. ये चल रहा था, वहां का एक फेस्टिवल है. सो आई आस्क्ड टू दिस स्टूडेंट्स, उनको मैं पूछा, प्लीज टेल मी हु इज दिस गॉडेसेस, व्हाई यू आर वर्शिपिंग, व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ दिस डे, इफ यू वर्शिप व्हाट वी वुड गेट. आई आस्क्ड सम क्वेश्चंस, बेसिक क्वेश्चंस. प्रैक्टिकली आई एम टेलिंग यू, नोबडी आंसर्ड मी. कोई भी मुझे आंसर दे नहीं पाया क्यों वो कर रहे थे. Yes. So same way, many times also we go to such holy places, we attend the festivals, we do somehow or other some ritualistic programs, some things, But we never ask the question why we are doing this. Why this procedure is? Why not other procedures? We never ask. Sometimes the preachers come and they actually canvas you, brainwash you. वो कुछ समझा देते हैं. Then you become an atheistic person. Then you become a person who is against of our Vedic principles. Maybe sometimes you left this culture and you switch up to another culture like sometimes Abrahamic religion you take off. आप लेते हैं. So be careful, always ask questions. So the delegates from Kanchipuram, they never ask, they did not ask, and they have their own notion in their mind. उनकी मन में ये notion आ गया, विचार आ गया. क्या? What they were thinking? They thought maybe the king who would be our son-in-law, आगे चल के दामाद बनेंगे हमारे राज्य के. He would become. After some time, he would go and get married. So, the king may be a sweeper class person. Then got this idea. No son in their mind. ये तो झाड़ू मारने वाला आदमी है. कैसे भी करके राजा बन गया है. Yes. And they, when they go back to their state, Kanchipuram, they reported to their king that you are going to give your daughter to such a person who is a sweeper. झाड़ू मारने वाला व्यक्ति है. आप जानते हैं हमारा सोसाइटी में practical I don't know these things is going on. So people actually do not give respect to the lower class peoples. That's why the lower class peoples, they are doing protest. Their protest is the higher class peoples are not giving any respect to us. No sir, everybody gets their respect. But we should give the respect, then we will get the respect. That is the thing. So somehow or other they declined to give their daughter, Padmavati. They said that this king is a sweeper, we will not give our daughter to you. Dena nahi hai. Then Pratap Rudra Dev, when he got this news, he was very much unhappy. His heart was totally cracked. He was crying because he knew exactly why he swept the floor, the road of Jagannath Puri during that Rath Yatra. Sweeping, doing service practically in our hands of the Lord. भगवान की सेवा जो करना है. This is the mission of human life. मनुष्य जीवन का लक्ष्य है. And at the same time, the king, as the king, head of the state, he submissive. He actually surrendered himself unto the lotus feet of the Lord Jagannath. And Gita Bhagavan Krishna says, Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam vraja. Abandon all variety of religion, all variety of so-called religion, and just take shelter of mine. Lord Krishna says, just take shelter. Means everything, yad karosi, yad asnasi, yad juhasi, yadasi, yad tapassusi kaunteya, tad kurusya madarapanam. Just offer to everything. Whatever you do, whatever you think, whatever you give, whatever you offer, just depend on me. Should we be dependent? No, generally we don't have this concept. We think we should not be dependent. We are self-sufficient. आत्मनिर्भर. हम आत्मनिर्भर हो चुके ऐसा हम सोचते हैं. But practically we are dependent always. We are not independent. Helpless. We are seeking help from other countries for oxygen, for medicines, for some knowledge, guidelines, how to handle this pandemic. So king knew it very well. That's why he was serving. He was demonstrating practical to the citizens. Yadyad acharati shrestha. He was the ideal person. He was the leader. He was the politician. He knows better how to lead the people, how to help the people. He know it. जानते हैं that people should not take notes that our king is just a king who is inside his AC room. He's just giving the detection. He's giving his order only. He's passing some resolutions, rules only. No. The citizen also knew very well our king in his mind, in his words, in his body. He's just trying to serve us. That's why the citizens never do protest. Nowadays there is so much protest. Everyone is against of the government because the citizens very well they knew that these leaders are just armchair leaders. They don't know the practical problems of the society. Somehow or other, King Prataparudra, he with that agony, उनको दुख था, he tried to teach the king of Kanchipuram. He said we should give a lesson to him. Yes, उन्हें हमें lesson देना ही पड़ेगा. Yes, we must subdue the thoughts of that king. He blasphemed us. उन्हें हमारा निंदा की है. जगन्नाथ जी की निंदा की है. Yes, जगन्नाथ जी का निंदा किया है. So when someone blaspheme, when someone do offense, we should not tolerate. We must take the action that our scriptures teaches us. It is not that if you slap in one face, you have to show your other face. No. If a devotee is slapping, that's good. Bhakta thoda mar diya. Okay, once more. That's good. Sometimes out of love for some to correct us, and devotees they do it. Otherwise, here the King Prataparudra had a mission. उन्होंने mission लिया. In the first time, King Prataparudra, he took all his artillery, arms, weapons, moved towards Kanchipuram, Sahib. And in that first war, पहला युद्ध में they totally lost the battle. इतना बैटल हो गया कि पीछे हटना पड़ा इनको. कांचीपुरम, their soldiers, they all fought severely. इनको पूरा धूल. तो इसके बाद again King Prataparudra came, he cried in front of Jagannath. He told to Jagannath, what is this? What is this? I went there to teach a lesson to this king. He condemned your service. He did the offense. He opposed your system. But you were just here. You did not hear me. You did not help us. He was accusing Jagannath. Sometimes devotees go to the Lord and they say, oh Krishna, you are telling that you are a friend, Surhudam Sarva Bhutana. You are a friend of all of us. You are with us in our heart as Paramatma. But I don't feel that. मुझे वो अनुभव नहीं हो रहा. I am struggling here. I am working hard but not getting sufficient money. I am doing so many activities but my family members are not happy. My society people are accusing me. निकम्मा कहाँ का बोलते मुझे? What is this? I am your servant. I am fully dedicated to you. So when Lord Jagannath heard this plea of King Prataparudra, okay, don't worry. Next time you arrange we will do the rest. So sometimes when we are helpless, sometimes the medical also, if a person is very disease condition, okay, about to die, and the doctors come out, they say, we did our best, we did our best, but now leave the rest on God. ऊपर वाला के हाथ में सब छोड़ दो. We did our best. We give the medicines, we give the oxygen, we give the best facilities, best doctor. One doctor from Bharuch. So we were, हमारे मंदिर में जो है, for the old age people, we are conducting some programs. In that program, some of the old persons, they joined for Bhagavad Gita courses. Okay, Bhagavad Gita and some other, we offer that courses. So one day, every old man, okay, every old person, they were sharing their realizations because they lived their whole life, like up to 60 years, 70 years, now retired. पूरा जीवन बीत चुका है. So one person from Bharuch, he was a doctor, he had a big medical in that city, renowned doctor. He was telling his wife was in a disease, severe, I think, cancer. She was affected with cancer disease. He said 200 doctors, 200 doctor को he employed in our service. Somehow there saved my wife. Whatever the money, whatever you want, I will supply. Doctor said within 6 months, means after 6 months only she will live. But due to that calamity happened to him, 3 months the date came of her wife's death. 3 महीना आया. And when the date came, he said 200 doctors, they were watching, monitoring, they were trying their best, but in front of all of them, his wife left his body. They could not sleep. This is practical telling. So that is the thing. So Jagannath said, oh, I will help. So many times when Krishna assured, you will won the battle. No one could stop you. No one can do any harm to you. No one. If they will try their best, still you will be saved. कभी कभी हमको भी ऐसा लगता है मैं बाल बाल बच गया. I am saved from this danger. So the next time, Jagannath and Balabhadra, they were leading that army, and they get the victory. They won that battle. When they won battle, they brought Padmavati with them, and they told to the king. King Pratavardhana said to Kanchipuram, the king of Kanchipuram, कहा था, I will arrange the marriage of your daughter. I will give the marriage to the best sweeper in my state. सबसे अच्छा जो भंगी होगा, चमार होगा, उसके साथ तेरी बेटी को शादी दूंगा. That was actually King Pratap, because he was so much insulted. इतना इंसल्ट उनको फील हुआ था, तो उनका बेस्ट स्वीपर उसको शादी दूंगा. उनका तो नाक कट गया. Then when they came back, King Prataparudra Dev, he gave this lady, princess, to the Prime Minister of Odisha. Prime Minister of Odisha, the मुख्यमंत्री उनका जो है, मतलब उस जमाने में उनका जो, he gave, and he said, you look after in matrimony, find out a bridegroom, ऐसा लड़का ढूंढो, and if you will get that boy, then I will spend all the money and we will give marriage to this daughter. The Prime Minister, he actually waited, so many days. He waited. Next year, Next year again the Rath Yatra happened. Again जब रथ यात्रा, because today is Akshaya Tritiya, from today onwards they start carving the rod of जगन्नाथपुरी. They start करते हैं, आज से carving करते हैं जगन्नाथपुरी. So recently in June July the dates come. So again when the Rath Yatra happened, then the Prime Minister saw the king. Then he said loudly he was just shouting, Eureka, Eureka, like Archimedes when he found that law, if you put an object inside the water, the same volume of water comes out. When he got the German scientist, mathematician, Archimedes, same way this king, this prime minister was shouting loudly and he was telling, I got this. What do you get today? Kya mila tumhe? Now king, last year, just remember what? That you told that the lady, the princess from Kanchipuram, she is with me. I have to, find out a boy. So I got it today. But who is that? Who is that? Today is very auspicious day. रथ यात्रा बहुत अच्छा है, हमें शादी करा देना चाहिए. Then the prime minister said, who is a best sweeper than you? You are the best sweeper. You are the best sweeper. None other than King Pataprudra. Dashing. Then the marriage happened. So I said this. This is the festival. I mean to say the festivals during the festival, whatever the ritualistic programs we do, we must understand the significance of all these ritualistic things. Nowadays, in all over the world, although peoples are observing these festivals in a grand way, but there is a lack of knowledge about that festival. Now I am giving one example. Recent current news in Israel, both Zoroastrians, Yehudis, and the Palestinians, those who are from Arabs, yes, they were living in one small country. The population may be like 1 crore, like that. So in that population, there is always conflict. Now the Muslims, they are observing this Ramzan. Today is Eid also. Eid. And I don't understand. Most of the times, the Muslims, their festivals, the Hindu culture, our culture's festivals are in the same day. Because the dates are there. Because the dates are there. Because no one can manufacture the dates. No one can manufacture the moon. Sun, according to the moon and sun, the auspicious dates are there. So the Eid also comes the same day, Akshaya Tritiya also comes same day. Many people are observing this. During this Ramzan, in this period also they are fighting. Just imagine. Now the whole world is facing this big pandemic. Everyone is suffering. Everyone. But in this period also, just imagine, they are releasing their missiles, rockets. They are trying to kill the civilians. There is a protest going on in the country. अब देखिए दंगा चल रहा है. Unrest is going on. Just imagine. Although the culture is there, the culture means Ramzan means you have to do fast. Fasting time में you must feel weak. आपको फीलिंग होता है ना किसी को there is no bodily strength. You have to peaceful mind. You have to think about God. You have to share your thoughts with others. You have to help the needy. During these periods, you have to do all these things. Rather doing all these things, what they are doing? They are just feeding bombs, खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, बम खा खाना मिल नहीं रहा है, बम खाओ. That is going on. But in all our world, in Gaudiya Vaishnava Parampara, Srila Prabhupada, he said once, he said, we will own the whole world through our culture. We will own the whole world through our culture and heritage. ये culture से हम जीत सकते हैं. Because we are actually practically teaching the people how to love God, how to love people, how to love other living entities. Although many people are talking that we must love God, but they try to love God, at the same times they tried their best to slaughter the animals. The same thing cannot go. There is in a different direction. You have to stop something and proceed in another way. Both cannot happen at the same time. हो नहीं सकता. So that's why the festivals, although we are celebrating, there are so many festivals. You know, today is the most auspicious day. Chandan Yatra starts. Few days ago, I was telling that story how Chandan Yatra started. Chandan sandalwood very precious, बहुत मूल्यवान है. If you will use the sandalwood put on your forehead, you will feel cool. Your forehead, because this is, this is our CPU, like CPU. Huh? Yes, this is the central processing unit of our body. We must keep it cool. Like in our computer, there is some holes, there is small fans. In big factories, they use coolers, they use coolants. Yes, to cool that engine, to cool that machines. Same way, we have a CPU system, we have a brain, we have a machine that is called a Jantra Rudhani Maya. This body is a machine. Brahmayam Sarvabhutana Yantra Rudhani Maya. This is offered by material nature to us, this body. Parents gave us this body, but this body is just a machine. And the machine, you have to also cool it. The coolant is chandan. That's why you have to put chandan. Morning time, आज सुबह मुझे पूरा इतना चंदन लगाया था. हाँ? One devotee came, he put so much chandan. I feel very nice. I feel cool. पूरा दिमाग ठंडा हो जाता है. You have a hot mind, hot, feeling hot, and use it. You are a very angry person, use it. So in our culture, that's why we have to put tilak. We have to use, sandalwood put. So Lord also practical. So in these festivals, generally, what is our duty as a devotee? What we can do? Yes. So we can share these pastimes with the devotees. Srila Prabhupada said in Kumbh Mela, the big festival happened in India. So many century persons gathered. Kumbh Mela abhi bhi hua tha. Srila Prabhupada said their motive to go to Kumbh Mela is to have this Amrit, nectar मिलता है उधर, because some of the nectars fallen down on those particular places. So those who are monished, those who seek to enter Brahmaloka, Brahman effulgence, they try to go there. But devotees, they don't aspire for this. उनका इच्छा नहीं है. Devotees aspires for service of the Lord. But the Prabhupada said, you have to also go there. हमें भी उधर जाना चाहिए and preach there. So this is an opportunity, like the sometimes sale months. Sale months mean sales. Some shops they do sales, 50% discount, 40% discount. So festivals are like that sales. It means during festivals most of the people come. So when they come to attend these programs, it is our duty to help them to understand the significance of these festivals. So Akshaya Tritiya, the day of Akshaya. So in this material world, everything is Kshaya. Kshaya means perishable. Akshaya means imperishable. The day, आज ऐसा नहीं कि अक्षय में शाम नहीं होगा, अभी शाम हो गया. The day will also end. The day will also end. Yes. So Akshaya means the day whatever you do, that will continue. It is our thoughts. हमें ये ज्ञान है कि whatever you do, it will continue for ever like that. हमारा ये मानना है. So on this day many things happen. The writing of the scriptures. Ganga came to this material world. Satyuga started. There are so many auspicious things happen. Or generally people supposed to start to do. From this day, today in Odisha, they start to plow the field. वो खेती करने जाते हैं. So many things they do. So Akshaya Tritiya is the most auspicious day. From this day onwards, there are 21 days. The devotees, they put chandan and a lep. They smear the chandal pulp on the body of the Lord. Although Lord is very cool, he is self-sufficient, he stay in his abode. Still, sometimes to reciprocate with his devotees, भगवान अपने भक्तों के साथ लीला करने के लिए, देर आदान प्रदान करने के लिए, Krishna also wanted that his devotees should smear small चंदन pulp on his body. कुछ तो लगाए चंदन आकर. हम लोग कभी कभी बोलते हैं ज्यादा चंदन मत लगाओ बोलते हैं. हाँ, चंदन है ना, कभी कभी ऐसा जोकिंग करते हैं. सो चंदन लगाने का मीन्स चंदन नॉट इट इज लाइक फ्लैटरिंग. फ्लैटरिंग नहीं है ऐसे हम लोग चापलूसी करते. नो, devotees actually practically love the Lord. That's why they do this seva, chandan seva. So on this day there are 21 days. There is always chandan katha and so many this. So our topic was that festivals. So general these are the significance of festivals in our life. So there is lot to say regarding these festivals. Now you also share your some of the feelings, some of the your realizations, some of your reciprocations with the Lord during these festivals. How do you feel when festival comes, when you go and attend those festivals? How do you feel? You can share. Pratik Prabhu. Hare Krishna. I am telling, like festivals comes in our life, also it comes in your life. आपके जीवन में भी आता है. And how do you feel the day of when the festival comes? What is your realizations? How do you reciprocate with your friends, relatives, and Lord? That you can share here now today. Did you understand me or not? Okay, very nice. Oh, yes, 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 yes. I am telling when we book distribute books, Most of the time we tell to the people today is Janmashtami, today is like Gita Jayanti. Sometimes people say today is Janmashtami, yeah, today is we don't know. Although the dates are not there in ISKCON, in the small centers, we celebrate Janmashtami the whole month, pura mahina. Huh? Yes, after 3 days means Janmashtami day was actually gone, but after 3 days also we do it. Anyway, yes, everybody. So that's why the devotee's life, Srila Prabhupada gave us such, procedure that a devotee celebrates every day as festivals. Every day. Sometimes people, yes, yes. Hemant Prabhu, you want to tell something? Tell. Haribol, Hemant Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Yes. Tell. बोलिए प्रभु जी ये सुनाई नहीं? Okay, प्रभु जी was I think he's in village. Low connection. No, I am in proper place. हाँ, नहीं इधर तो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होता इधर. टेम्पल में बैठा हूँ, बॉम्बे में बैठा हूँ. अच्छा. हाँ, आ रहा है. Yes. Anyway, sometimes this is machines. This is अभी. हाँ, बोलिए. नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब साउंड इतना क्लियर नहीं हो रहा. ओके. अभी क्या है, शायद कुछ कम होगा इंटरनेट का. एनीवे. यस. Yes. I started this, see, previously when I started, because most of the most of the our programs they conduct. If the people's with you, then you can hold a program. Okay. But problem is the coordinators and the peoples should be there. Yes. Some like you now 4 5 devotees are every day joining practically. Dr. Hemant from uh, Hingoli, and Paragdhani Prabhu from uh, some are every day they are attending. Some places, due to their timing problem, if the youths are there, you have a group, then you can tell them about it. So from the very beginning, we can also discuss. Now, you can ask some questions, and the answer would be there, and someone would also share their realizations about it. Huh? So see, if the questions are there, no, then when we share it, then that would be very realistic, है ना? हमें जो मन में प्रश्न है वो क्वेश्चन थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. हाँ, because many times sometimes people come and they in mid time they join the program. अभी आप पूरी लेक्चर दे तो आप कैसे दे सकते हैं? प्रॉब्लम होता है ना? तो इसलिए मेरा कहना है कि जो लोग आते हैं, और कई लोग भी शाय फीलिंग करते हैं क्या क्वेश्चन पूछे क्या नहीं. So one of, yeah, to you practically do some नो कुछ आप करिए जिसमें कि आप यू हैव शुड हैव बंच ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, ओके। आप उस क्वेश्चन को पूछिए। यस, यस। Yes, yes, because see, our parampara is Madhurya Bhav parampara. We are in a school like in a CBSE pattern and Marathi pattern. Simple, आपको समझा रहा हूँ. In the when you are enrolled in Marathi CBSE pattern, whatever the syllabus you have to study, yes or no? Whatever the syllabus you have to study, and you have to appear the exam, and the marks and your knowledge. People think that they are something superior knowledge they get in the CBSE standard. But in the Marathi school also the same the syllabus you have to follow. Same way in our relationship with Krishna, like there are five rasa: Santa, then Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya, and Madhurya. In these five, the Santa rasa is not so in practical. Santa rasa ज़्यादा practical नहीं है ना. बाकी फोर रस आप कल्टिवेट कर सकते हैं. बाकी फोर रस दास्य भाव, साख्य भाव एंड वात्सल्य भाव एंड माधुर्य भाव. So the in Brahma, huh? Just be a friend now. You can order him. You can climb on his shoulder. आप उसके कंधे में चढ़ सकते हैं. हाँ? You can put your hand on his कंधे में कान डाल के आप पूछेंगे हाउ आर यू कृष्णा, कहाँ गया था, ऐसा पूछ सकते हैं. That is Sakhya Rasa. Like Arjuna, he said, Sanayor Ubhaya Madhya Ratha Sthapayam Achyuta. Oh Krishna, take my chariot in between this army. वो ऑर्डर दिया. ऑर्डर भी दे सकता है. Yes. But in Madhurya Bhava, it is little bit more. You can chastise Krishna also. Gopi chastise. Gopi love also sometimes. And chastise Krishna also. उसको बोलते चोर बदमाश, ऐसा भी बोलते हो, है ना. So all these rasas, Srila Prabhupada said, all these rasas are unique, and the devotees, those who are in Madhurya rasa, they reciprocate with the Lord. See, in the temple, we cannot say, oh Krishna, Krishna Balaram मंदिर में गया, oh Krishna Balaram, what are you standing there? You come out. ऐसा आप नहीं बोल सकते. हाँ, लेट्स प्ले, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते. यू हैव टू ऑफर प्रणाम. हमारे मंदिर में जो भी आप सेवा करते हैं, व्हाट एवर द सर्विस यू डू, दैट टाइम इट इज इन द ऑ एंड रिवरेंस. आप उनको उस मूड में करना पड़ता है. यस. So the best process is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave us the best process. ब्रजेर जुवती भावेर पकति जगते जानता के. So Braja Juvati means the damsels of Braja Bhumi. उन्होंने जो भाव से भक्ति किया, उस भाव को हम पकड़ा है. क्या भाव है, क्या भाव है इसमें आप देखिए. हम चैतन्य अष्टकम में लास्ट श्लोक गाते हैं. क्या गाते हैं? यथा तथा वा विद्यात लंपटो मत प्राण नास्तु स एव ना परः, ऐसा बोलते हैं ना. एवरी डे मॉर्निंग यू आर कॉलिंग, टेलिंग टू कृष्णा यू आर लंपट. अगर आपको कोई लंपट बोले आपको अच्छा लगेगा? डू यू फील गुड? नो. एवरीवन इज टेलिंग यू आर लंपट मीन्स यू आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विथ वन वुमन, यू आर रनिंग आफ्टर दिस गर्ल दैट गर्ल. ऐसे थोड़ा इतना बड़ा अक्यूज किसी को किया जाए अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना. But they say आश्रितम पादरतम पिनष्टुमम. ओ कृष्ण, either you embrace us or kick us. यहाँ पर आपने ठुकरा दिया हमें. You are sufficient to do with us. You are fully empowered. आप कुछ भी करने के लिए हमारे साथ चलेगा. आप जो भी करेंगे चलेगा हमारे साथ. ऐसा जब भाव होता है, अगर आपके कोई फ्रेंड है, अगर ये बोलता है तू कितना भी गाली दे मैं तुझे छोड़ने वाला नहीं, है ना. तू कितना भी मुझे ठुकरा दे मैं तुझे छोड़ने वाला नहीं हूं. ऐसा कोई फ्रेंड है? फिर भी बोलेगा यू आर माई फ्रेंड. मतलब आप सोचो. सो दैट इज द मूड ऑफ the gopis. That's why this Madhurya Rasa is considered highest. This is the highest melo. In other rasa, there is some restriction. Some of the restrictions are there. Like if you want to become parents of Krishna, then you have to in that mood, you have to be free with Krishna. You have to correct Krishna also. कृष्ण को बेटा मान करके थोड़ा अलाउ भी करोगे और थोड़ा टांटो भी ठीक है yes he is agreed that's why here he personally comes in the form of deity विग्रह के रूप में आए he comes he is so merciful in the form of book in the form of their spiritual master भगवान ने इतने सारे मौका दिया एजेंसीज आर देयर they always try their best to take all of us from this material world to the spiritual world they always try सदैव प्रयास करते हैं ठीक है तो बहुत सारे आपका जो ग्रुप में है ना सो माय सजेशन टू ऑल ऑफ यू दैट आपके जो ग्रुप में आप अन्य से बात करो ये दे हैव प्रैक्टिकल देयर क्वेश्चन ओके they should they can ask these questions in this forum and very simplified answer I try to give the answer in a very easily मतलब is I think simplified way बहुत आसानी से जो कि समझ सकते हैं ठीक है प्रतीक प्रभु okay we will end here